The launch of the Xiaomi Mi 11 is just a few days away, and it's gonna be the first device to be powered by the new Snapdragon 888 processor. We also know the camera configuration, the battery setup, and the price of both the Mi 11 and the Mi 11 Pro, and they're gonna launch with a new version of Xiaomi's Miui. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. So during the launch of the Snapdragon 888, Qualcomm mentioned a couple of companies it partnered with that are gonna use its next generation flagship chipset. And Xiaomi being amongst those companies is gonna be the first to use the Snapdragon 888 on its Mi 11 series. They've been rumored to launch in December, but there's no official date yet. The camera module and configuration of the Mi 11 series was also revealed. And the Mi 11 is gonna have a squarish camera module with 3 cameras. So one less camera from last year's Mi 10. But if they drop both the macro and depth sensor in favor of a telephoto lens as the third camera, then that's actually gonna be an upgrade over the Mi 10. The main sensor of the Mi 11 is gonna be a 108 megapixel sensor, and I believe it's gonna be the new HM3 sensor from Samsung, as Xiaomi wasn't impressed with the performance of the HM1 and HM2, and have resorted to using the 108 megapixel HM2 sensor on its mid-range device. So if they're gonna put a 108 megapixel sensor on one of their flagship devices, it's gonna be the HM3, but that's for the entry-level Mi 11. The Mi 11 Pro is gonna use a 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor for its main camera, and it's gonna be housed in a rectangular camera module, so it might have an extra camera over the entry-level Mi 11. Both the Mi 11 and the Pro are gonna adopt dual-cell battery technology for faster charging. The Mi 11 is gonna support 55-watt wired and wireless charging, while the Mi 11 Pro is rumored to support super fast charging over 100 watts. On the front, they're both gonna have huge Super AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rate. The displays are gonna be curved on both sides, and they're gonna have a single punch hole camera cutout at the top left corner, just like the Mi 10 series. Both Mi 11 variants are gonna launch with the new Miui 12.5, which brings many UI changes to the look and feel of Xiaomi's software, along with improved privacy settings. Now, this isn't gonna be an Android version update. It's still gonna be based on Android 10, and Android 11 is gonna come with Miui 13. This one just has some changes like a new power off and restart slider, a new app switcher, which is basically Android's original app switcher, and a couple more that we're gonna know over time. For the price, the direct conversion is $686, so expect it to be around $700 when released. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next